Over the next few minutes, I'm going to talk to you about the new features and improved capabilities in version 5.3 of the Siemplify Security Operations Platform. There are a number of great new improvements in 5.3, many of which were identified and requested by customers. For a complete list of changes, take a look at the comprehensive release notes. But for this short video, I'm going to focus on a few of the major changes and improvements in this version. We're going to take a look at the new Playbook Lifecycle management and some under-the-hood changes that I think architects and engineers are going to love. With that, let's start with our new improved Playbook Lifecycle management. If you've ever created a playbook, you know it's not a one-and-done type of task. Over time, things change, whether it be the tools in your security stack, your productivity tools, or even your overall IR approach. With every change, you know it means hours and hours of work updating your library of playbooks. Well, that all changes with our new Playbook Lifecycle management, powered by blocks. In 5.3, you can now create snippets of playbook actions that we're calling blocks. Now, these blocks can then be assembled into any number of playbooks that are going to meet your needs. The key here is that as things do change, which they will, instead of having to update your entire library of individual playbooks, you simply update the impacted blocks, and all the other playbooks are automatically updated. So let's take a look at an example. Here I've set up a series of blocks that I will use across my playbook library. Triage blocks, maybe it's false identification blocks, enrichment blocks, investigation blocks, you get the idea. So when I put these all together in a playbook, it looks like this. So let's say in my enrichment block, I'm reaching out to an endpoint product to get more information about some impacted endpoints related to an investigation. Now let's fast forward to a point in time where my endpoint product changes. All I do is update my enrichment block, removing the existing endpoint product and replacing it with actions that will call to the new endpoint product. Now all my playbooks that are using that block are automatically updated. Here I'm literally saving hours and hours of work, and I'm also ensuring that no playbook goes unnoticed. Everyone is working on updated information. Now, before leaving playbooks, let's take a sneak peek at another change that we've added in 5.3. You can now call create what we're calling a fallback option in the playbook if a step in a playbook fails. So this ensures an analyst is always given the best available data in the scenario where the most ideal flow or data cannot be followed. I think this is a pretty great change, and I think it's going to help improve your overall investigations. Finally, there are a number of under-the-hood changes that engineers and architects are really going to enjoy. First, Siemplify now runs on a high-performance Linux infrastructure that's built for speed, agility, and unmatched uptime. And with our improved high availability, SOC managers can be confident when it's crunch time and alerts are coming in fast and furious. Siemplify can handle the load without issue. Additionally, organizations can set their own data retention policies to meet their needs. With a quick configuration update, case and alert data will be held to match the custom data retention policies to ensure compliance regulations are met, for example. We're excited to get version 5.3 out in the marketplace and cannot wait to see what you think. To learn more about 5.3, visit us at siemplify.co or set up a private demo now.